Alright, what is up YouTube? This is Ayush Sharma and welcome to Bodybuilding Fitness and Lifestyle. In this video, we are going to continue the Anabolic Steroid series. And this video is part 1 of module 2, where we are going to talk about some cardiovascular effects of anabolic steroids. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. Abusing anabolic steroids causes some serious side effects, which includes alterations in our cholesterol levels, plus the ventricular walls of our heart also that's thick, plus it increases the blood pressure. Also, we can see changes in vascular reactivity. Now, to give you a better understanding, we will talk about each of these points in depth. So starting with cholesterol or lipid. Now we all know that in our body there are two types of cholesterol. The first one is the HDL and second one is LDL. We all know that the level of HDL should be more than the level of LDL. But when we take anabolic steroids, it affects both our HDL and LDL, which means that it increases the levels of LDL and it decreases the level of HDL. Hence, HDL and LDL ratio decreases. Now, there are some medications used in which we can control this side effect. But if we don't control it, it will result in the development of plaque in our arteries. So this is our artery, and here you can see that the plaque has been developed due to the abuse of anabolic steroids. Now what are the side effects of this plaque? We will see in the upcoming slide. So when the plaque that's deposited in our arteries, it begins to narrow down the arteries, which increases the blood pressure, and a higher blood pressure leads to kidney damage. Especially the oral steroids which are C17 alpha alkylated such as Dianabol or Anadrol. But you all have heard about estrogen. So estrogen has a positive effect on HDL levels, which means those people who are using very high dosages of estrogen maintenance drugs during an anabolic cycle needs to be careful about this, as estrogen helps to increase the level of HDL. Now to prevent this side effect, there are some medications which we will talk about in some other video. Now we will talk about enlarged heart. Heart is also a muscle, which means it can grow and shrink in size. When we do a lot of physical activity or when we do a lot of weight training, it has a strong effect on the muscle of the heart, which means that when we are indulged in a lot of weight training, it tends to increase the size of the heart. So basically what it does is the ventricular wall of the heart becomes thick, and this process is known as concentric remodeling. But we don't have to worry about this, as once we leave weight training, the size of the heart comes back to its normal size. The issue is anabolic steroid abuse. Due to anabolic steroid abuse, the left and the right ventricular walls of the heart becomes thick, which reduces the efficiency of the heart, which means that if the size of the heart increases, then the efficiency of the heart will reduce. Here also, when the anabolic steroid use ends, the size of the heart reduces. But some changes in heart's muscle size and function caused by the use of anabolics may persist. So this is the issue with anabolic steroid abuse. This is the normal size of the heart, and this is the size of the heart when we use or when we abuse anabolic steroids. So this is an efficient heart and this is an inefficient heart. In this video we have covered two cardiovascular side effects of anabolics. Now there are a lot more which we are going to cover in the upcoming videos. If you have any doubt in this video, you can either DM me on Insta or you can comment it down below. But for now, if you enjoyed the video or if you learned something from this video, do let me know by leaving a thumbs up and a comment below. By this, I, Ayush Sharma, signs off and have a nice day.